Hi friends, Namaste. Today we are making Puran Poli. Puran Poli is an Indian dish. Pour water and chana dal and let soak for 30 minutes. Add water and boil chana dal until you get 3 whistles. Strain chana dal and set aside a small portion for Amti. Pour chana dal into a blender and blend it. Take 25 cloves of cardamom, 1/3 of a nutmeg and grind. Add a spoon of ghee to frying pan. Add jaggery and sugar and the dal paste. Allow the jaggery and sugar to melt and then add another spoon of ghee. To add flavor, sprinkle on cardamom and nutmeg powder. Puran is ready. Prepare your dough by putting all-purpose flour and wheat flour together. Add salt, mix and slowly pour 1 cup of warm water. Knead well. Add 1 tablespoon ghee. Knead the dough into a ball. To make it easier, rub ghee into your hand to handle the dough. Cover the dough and leave out for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes, roll the dough into small balls. Also, roll the puran into small soft balls. Begin flattening the dough into a round shape. Fit the puran into the center of the dough and slowly wrap the puran using your fingers. Remove any excess dough. Now, slowly begin flattening the Puran Poli. Use a rolling pin to roll it out into a round shape. Fry the Puran Poli on medium heat. Flip over and drizzle some ghee. Make sure to cook thoroughly so the dough is not raw. Our Puran Poli is ready. Repeat this process. Amti begin by dicing onions. Pour the oil into the pan. Fry the onions. Add the following ingredients: curry leaf, ginger, garlic, green chili, coconut flakes, coriander seeds, cinnamon, black cardamom, cloves and black pepper, cumin powder, garam masala. Mix and load into a blender. Blend. Add water to blend well. Add the leftover dal in a pot. Cook on medium heat. Add red chili powder and turmeric. Add jaggery and lastly your onion mix. Amti is ready. Add cilantro for taste. Puran Poli is ready.